how to plant this sunflower, which is very easy. But because this is a new variety that I bought, so I thought I will start them into these little pots so it doesn't get mixed up with the other regular yellow ones that are growing everywhere thanks to the birds. So let's put them in the pots. These are the tiny seeds. It's not like the one that the seeds get, or the one that I feed to the birds, the black oil seeds, and these are tiny. So I'm just gonna put a few in each containers. Okay, the little tiny seeds are in the pot. I'm just gonna thin them out. If they grow all of these little tiny seeds, I'll thin them out. And of course, if you have a place where you want them, of course you can just put the seeds directly into the area where you want them to grow. Just cover about half an inch buried into this soil, and then water. Try not to drown the little tiny seeds. Water them all, and then put your marker. This is just one of those forks that I get at the store. I reuse them. It works really good for this kind of project. Put it in a sunny location like this area here, and of course water them after a few days. Few weeks later, you will have something like this. This is also a sunflower, but this is the different kind, different variety, and then you can just transfer it in a location where you want it.